Chicken Sotanghon Virgin Beach Style is the title of our Virgin Beach Resort vlog number 52. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're here in California, but dreaming of being there at the resort. We have an a la carte menu in our restaurant, and in the soup section, Chicken Sotanghon is the entree there for 150 pesos. This video will show you how we make it.
Hello guys, now we're going to cook for our chicken sotanghon. These are the ingredients: onions, garlic, of course the ginger, the bell pepper, and then the carrots, sotanghon, oil, and the chicken, water, salt and pepper to taste. Now we start to cook. I put oil. Chicken. Water. I'll put some carrots, then simmer. And finally, we put the sotanghon. And that is our final product of chicken sotanghon.